garden fresh ampalaya leaves and squash blossoms. We're cooking today guisadong patani here at the garden. This is your growing and cooking channel, Channel 1. Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. Let's join Rovilo at his garden. Warm welcome. We are at the garden today. It's Saturday cooking, but this will be uploading Wednesdays. Fridays will be regular cooking at the kitchen. We're cooking today patani. It's just like mongo guisado, but we're replacing the mongo with patani. I've got two patanis here. This was given by a neighbor. I don't know how he grew patani in this cold weather. And this ones, I bought them in Lima, Peru, because patani in English is called Lima Beans. So that's the source or the origin of the beans. But I cannot grow them here. Really, I cannot grow them here. And the weather is just too cold. So instead of having to sow Lima beans here, they're available in cans. And the advantage of using canned beans is that you don't have to use lots and lots of gas for boiling it. They have been pre-boiled, so it's easier. And the cost of growing them here, the cost of a greenhouse, it's not worth it. So, a better option. My cameraman is saying, you showed them that bag, but you did not show them what's inside. Same patani. My neighbor said that he grew them here. I don't know how. Along with this patani as our ingredients, we'll be using the ampalaya leaves. I hope you enjoy our cooking today. But first, let's gather fresh ampalaya leaves. Removing the side shoots promotes the growth of the fruits. Instead of distributing the energies through the side shoots, the energy will be concentrated in the growth of the fruits, and that is preferred over more twigs or over more side shoots. But we can use the side shoots for our recipe today, benefiting from the side shoots as we promote the growth of the ampalaya fruit. Interesting. Not many people know it, but squash blossoms taste good, and we'll be adding that to our patanis too. This is what I call the grand march to the kitchen, to the shed. This is ginisa, so basic ingredients: onion and garlic. They're still fresh and they're still ground in the garlic. This is the way how to. And let's just crush the garlic. This is the liberty that I enjoy when I cook here at the Dampa. No refinement needed, bara. As natural as possible. No pretensions. The garlic's still young, so the peel is not that very bitter. We don't have to discard the peel. Yeah, we can be forgiven. Similar to ginisang mongo, baboy ang isasahog natin. Mas masarap pa rin. I hope you agree with me. Another suggestion para sa sahog. Change location for your maximum viewing pleasure. Mga kababayan, huwag niyo kang iwanan, magiging lisayo dahil ibida natin ang pagkain sa buong mundo, Pagkaing Pinoy to the whole world. I feel like singing Bahay Kubo, Sitaw, Bataw, Patani. Samahan niyo ako, tayo ay magigisa ng patani at ampalaya. Lagyan na natin ang ating mantika. We don't have to wait until this browns. We can put the rest of the ingredients now. Bawang at sibuyas. Although this is ginisang patani, we'll be rendering it a la dinengdeng style. So I'll be adding water to this. Soften the meat, and then we'll add the canned patani. And while we wait until the meat tenders, we'll be preparing our ampalaya. Baka maubusan tayo ng gas dito. I'm a bit concerned. We can add the water now. Imagine after 30 minutes, just 30 minutes after harvest, the leaves begin to wilt. Nagbiit ng malayot. Malayot at Ilocano. Hindi ko alam ang Tagalog ng malanta. Yeah, malanta. Malanta. Yeah. I hope you're noticing the channel of one motif. This is not intentional. I don't know. I have enough time to wait until the meat becomes soft enough, so for the meantime, I'll be helping Manang Grace with her pulley tunnel project, pulling the weeds. We had to transfer venue. It began to rain. I want to give this its ding-ding character by adding boneless bagoong from Pangasinan. Just small amount. I'll be adding patis. The rest, patis will do. Mahirap talaga paghaluin ng Tagalog at Ingles, pati patis nagiging patis. 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 Pero ang bagoong sa English, bagoong pa rin. I didn't show it, but I added bitsin. Bawal na gamot. I'm gonna add the patani now, canned patani. If you're wondering what's its name in the grocery, it's Lima Beans. Lima bonen. Then ang patani. And surprise, it's not in the plan, but I'll be adding this small courgette. The younger and smaller it is, the better, the tastier. I'm going to show you a bigger harvest. Bigger harvest, I mean because there are two. Look how big they are compared to this young one. Ideally, they should not be bigger than this. This one. If you want maximum flavor. I'll add the rest of the vegetables now, and it's done. I think this ampalaya needs some refinement. Just slice it into thinner pieces. Never seen before. Let's stir this, and it'll be done. It's time to call my Manang Grace. Manang, may kanta lang manang. May kanta lang, eksena tayo eh. May kan. Here she is. Manang naman na mo. Ito yung dipuntan.
Nagimasan kapsat.
I told you.
Mabalin pa eh.
Sige. Kita, good bite. With the parya manang. Bite it with the parya.
Parya. Bitter melon.
Okay, it's time to say goodbye.
Yummylicious.
Yummylicious. From the garden fresh. Thank you for joining us here at the garden with Madam Grace here with our very fresh ampalaya, leaves, and courgette harvest with Patani, not from Lima, Not from the garden, but from the can.
Yeah.
Join us again next time at
Next
the Small Kitchen. We'll be cooking more fresh harvest this summer.
Yeah.
Diyos nagbati.
Just let me know.
Dinengdeng or guisadong patani with ampalaya leaves fresh from our garden. Thank you for joining us today.